Okay, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Sam again here, and today is again 5. It is 5 October 2022, and again from Netherlands. What uh, what we wanna do today? Look, let me first explain it. Because I'm working with Visual Studio these days all day, and there is a folder, there is a directory here that I want to clean it up each every 6 hours or something like that. And that is this one, uh, that is here. Not here. Here is my personal machine, but where I am working, this is just like this. And that's this folder. I'm talking about these files here, and these are temp files. I don't have nothing to do with these directories there. But now, first approach is that to clean these temps up. But the problem is that some of these files are already in use, okay, and we cannot remove it because the action can't be complete because the file is open in Microsoft Edge View Webcam 2. This file here is now there under use or something like that, and that's why we cannot remove files like this. Okay, for example, this one, it's a if I say okay, remove it, it's a again Microsoft Web. Okay, and this is two things. With other, we have to first check the files here in this directory, and then we cannot remove them like this, and then check them one by one and see if the situation of that file is shared and that is open. If a state of the file is open, just we are going to ignore the file and just we are going to next one. And for that thing, what I want to do, and that is just guys, what I want to make, that is just a really simple one, because I want just click and happen what I want. I go here for form application. This is, as you know, C sharp language, the technology as C sharp, and this is Visual Studio, and I make a new project, a standalone project. It means we want to use it in Windows, and the design of this is that if we are also offline, we can run it. And the name of that is uh, cleaner vs, for example, version 1, like it. Okay, cleaner vs, and that is in .NET 6 long support, and just create that. Okay, what I want a button to click it, and that do everything for me, clean it, remove it, everything. That's the thing. I don't like to go there in that location every hour to clean something. We are programmer, and we are going to make something for that. There are several ways, or we are be able to make a batch script or a script and put it in startup directory and those things. But I like to code it by my way. Okay, for that thing we do, first of all, this is it. And the second one, what is the name? This is arming cleaner version 1. This is my name of my application, but for that I want something else. This is coming from many years back. This the version 1, and here what I want here a button here, uh, and name it as start cleaning, start cleaning, And when I'm saying start cleaning, here is the first step. But I want other options also. Maybe I want to clean other folders also. For that thing, I say in a text box, I pick a text box here, and I say here, okay. I ask my user to give me a path. Path is that where you want to clean. Give me your address and put your address here, for example. Oops, go back here, and for that I say here route or path, or I say path, you say what you want. Path address. Oh, okay. What is path address? This is path address. See, not this. This is Firefox. Uh, for example, look, this is path. When I'm saying what is your path, say what is your direction. This is my first path. Okay. For example, I want to deal with this directory. Here, okay, I say here is path. Okay. And if you take a look here, there is a form here. I want here add something more, one more thing. Rich, I want a rich text box. What is rich text box? Is this? Okay. I want to show some things here. I want here to show that file that I am not be able to remove, because when it's work, I want to show something to my user. Okay. Uh, I say here files uh, in use, for example. Okay, here. Okay, and now look, if I double click on this button, you see this is the function that is relevant to that button. Okay, and you see here label one, and here you see how it works. Here I have text box. I have here these are at the background is this actually. Okay, here what I want to do, I want first I want to make a function. What is going to do, it is going to check or a file, it doesn't matter which file. This function is going to check that the state of that file. What this means, it say it is going to open the file and check or see is that file open already, and check about some parameter, and at the end it give a true or false. If it gives true, it means that is in use and you cannot delete it, and if it false, it means you can safely delete that file. And what is that? That is nothing more and mean public bool check or in wait, here, why I should write it again. I have here a function, and you can also find it if you google it, you find it, but this is okay. Okay, this is a function here. It accepts a file, and then it is going to check that file as some parameter. What is the access of that file? What is the file share? These are state. Is that file open or is that not? And that. Okay, this is first. This is first for first. And now here I have, if you take a look here, what happened here, I want in reality I want to click at this button. Which is button is that? That is this one, button click one. Okay. Okay, what I say this. I don't want to write it, bro. I say here I just explain for you because I don't want to make a very long video. I have here a button. Okay, here these are directory is a class var. I have to make it dir path is equal to uh, for example this is my path. For example, what was that? That's this one. Okay, I say here this is my path, but this is my path, but in fact if I make it like this, what's that? In fact, uh, if I make it like this program is only works for one thing. Just you press that button and it is going to clean that file, that folder. That's all. That's all. Okay? And that we don't want. We want to ask our user here to give path, and then we are going to check that path and the rest. And so on. We have dynamic program. It's not only used for one thing. And let's first check. Here this is our file, this is our directory that we want to deal with. Let's before that we begin it, uh, I say I want to see how many files are there. 1040. Okay, and if I click here, you see these are the files cannot be deleted. And now take a look, that was 1040 files, 1040 files, and now we have 1038 files. Two of them are deleted, but in fact what is happened, because we are not making deal with with directory now, and that's why the rest of the files, if I take a look here, we have here 1080 files in there. In fact, let's for example we want to see all our functions works, we have here for example test, and here in test I want to make some file, not directory, not folder, just some file to check or it works. Okay, as I say, what is I say here, just uh, this is text rich, this is beautiful, you can, this tricky, you can also text. uh, I say here this is my path. Okay, and when I click, you should remove those things for me. What happened? Oh no, I have to set it. Okay, and now what I'm doing, I say here, okay, my path is not more this one. What is my path? My path is reach text box one dot text. Okay, dot text. And now with other word, I get my path from my username. Let's check. Okay, here that was this file, this directory c test. I'm taking it here, just start cleaning, and what happened? This path is empty. Path is empty. Let's see. C test, C test. Let's check. C test. Oh, I say, is it the path empty parameter path? Really? What I'm doing now? I see here. System argument exception. What I found here? What I found where the path is equal to this one. That is just okay to me. Uh, I think we have here some is empty. We have to use at sign. Or I don't know. What should I use here? System argument exception. Let's see what's problem here. Let's see. Let's check it out. Oh, when it's running for first time. Uh-huh. What I'm saying here, for first time when it's run, I'm saying here, I can do this also, huh? Try, try, try. How can I now arrange try and catch now? Catch, Nick. What I'm doing now, I want to do something else here. Here, I say see windows like, let me go back to my, yeah, here. Here we have default text. If I'm not wrong, text, uh, text box, default text. Uh, Text box, default text, C sharp, let's check. Or text box? Yes, for sure. Default, I'm saying here another form load here. When that form is load, what is it? Uh, load here. Text box yek dot text is equal to, for example, C Windows, huh? Like this, is it possible? Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah. And now, if I'm now saying here, now this is, I don't know, it works now. Right. Or or uh, or I'm saying like this. See, so empty. It says this is empty. This why? Uh, Text box text exception empty, and let's see what I get. Uh, how can I get that? Let me, or can I copy it from somewhere else? Hmm. Let me see, or I find that somewhere. It's really slow. Let me see. What was problem? What was problem? problem here? See here, no problem. Right? I see really no problem. Like this. Just let me see what this or other one. I don't had the same one. If I say here, for example, this is the thing. Look, my other one is just clean that. But why? Just the same. Just the same. This is. I see really, really no differences. No differences. Bro, what are you doing now? Bro, this is crazy. You see that? You see that? I have to check it first. See, like this. This is now empty. Oh, clean. Let's again do 1.5 like this, and I say again, this is here, like this again, clean it, and boom, clean it. And now give other path. Here I say here like this, users here, and app data local, and here local temp. This is my path say, and then put it here, and boom, these are files that not able to delete, and the rest are deleted. I'm going to push this in my GitHub, and after that let's check, or maybe we want to develop it a little bit. Okay, have a nice day. I see you in another one. I have to go.